Hi all, welcome to yet another informative video from Simplilearn.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Hi everyone, meet Nathan, a seasoned senior software developer constantly grappling with project delays and miscommunication. During a team meeting, a colleague shared their success story after obtaining the SAFe Agilist certification. Intrigued, Nathan delved deeper into Agile methodologies, realizing their transformative potential. Recognizing the need for structured approaches in managing projects, Nathan saw the SAFe Agilist certification as the missing piece in his skill set. Determined to improve project outcomes and foster collaboration, Nathan decided to pursue the certification. With a newfound sense of purpose, he embarked on his journey towards becoming a certified SAFe Agilist, eager to drive positive change within his team. In this video from Simplilearn, we will be discussing about the SAFe Agilist certification. Here we will cover what is a SAFe Agilist, who all can benefit from this certification, the roadmap to achieve the certificate, the requirements and exam details. First, let's see what is Agile and SAFe Agile. What is Agile? Agile is a flexible project management approach that breaks work into small, manageable increments called sprints. For example, a software team releases a new app feature every 2 weeks, gathers user feedback, and quickly adapts based on that feedback, ensuring continuous improvement and faster delivery of valuable products. What is SAFe Agile? SAFe Agile is a framework for scaling Agile practices across large organizations. For example, a company uses SAFe to coordinate multiple Agile teams developing a new software product, ensuring synchronized sprints, continuous integration, and aligned goals, ultimately delivering cohesive, high-quality results efficiently. Now let's move on to the certifications for SAFe Agile. Scaled Agile Inc. is basically the certifying body of Scaled Agile framework. They have around 13 SAFe certification courses, which are Certified SAFe Agilist, Certified SAFe Program Consultant, Certified SAFe Practitioner, SAFe Scrum Master Certification, SAFe Advanced Scrum Master Certification, Certified SAFe Release Train Engineer, Certified SAFe Product Owner Product Manager, Certified SAFe DevOps Practitioner, Certified SAFe Government Practitioner, Certified SAFe Agile Software Engineer, Certified SAFe Agile Product Manager, Certified SAFe Lean Portfolio Manager, Certified SAFe 6 Architect. Here we will be discussing about SAFe Agilist certification. But before that, let's see what is a SAFe Agilist and what are the responsibilities once you are a SAFe Agilist. Leading SAFe teaches about SAFe, and its main ideas are lean systems thinking, agile development, product development flow, design thinking, lean portfolio management, and DevOps. It helps leaders understand how to plan projects and how agile teams work together. A SAFe Agilist knows how to use lean and agile methods to make work better, faster, and higher quality. They can introduce SAFe to a company and use it to achieve their goals. As a SAFe Agilist, you understand how agile teams, programs, and portfolio management fit together. Now, who all can benefit from SAFe Agilist certification? First up, project managers. SAFe Agilist certification equips project managers with the skills to lead agile transformations and manage agile teams effectively. It's a game changer for those looking to drive project success in today's fast-paced world. Next, we have Scrum Masters. SAFe Agilist certification deepens their understanding of Agile principles and how they apply within a scaled framework. It's essential for Scrum Masters who want to take their careers to the next level. For product owners, SAFe Agilist certification provides valuable insights into prioritizing features and maximizing value delivery within Agile release trains. It's a must-have for product owners seeking to excel in their roles. Executives and leaders also benefit greatly from SAFe Agilist certification. It offers a strategic understanding of SAFe principles, enabling them to drive organizational agility and achieve business outcomes effectively. For consultants and coaches, SAFe Agilist certification is invaluable. It provides the expertise needed to guide organizations through agile transformations and implement SAFe practices successfully. And let's not forget software developers and engineers. SAFe Agilist certification helps them work effectively within agile teams and contribute to delivering high-quality products. Now let's discuss the roadmap to achieve the SAFe Agilist certification. First, familiarize yourself with the core principles of the Scaled Agile framework. Understand concepts like lean thinking, agile development, and the SAFe big picture. This foundational knowledge forms the basis of your journey towards certification. Next, enroll in the leading SAFe course. This 2-day training provides comprehensive guidance on implementing SAFe principles in your organization. Look for accredited training providers in your area or consider online options for flexibility. Attend the training sessions with dedication. Engage actively in discussions, ask questions, and participate in hands-on exercises. The knowledge gained during these sessions will be crucial for your exam preparation. Study the course materials provided diligently. Review the workbook, study guides, and additional resources recommended by your trainer. Take notes and ensure you understand key concepts thoroughly. Practice with sample exams to gauge your understanding and readiness. Join study groups or online forums to discuss questions and share insights with fellow aspirants. This collaborative approach can enhance your preparation. Once you feel confident, schedule your SAFe Agilist exam. The exam consists of multiple choice questions and is conducted online. Now let's see the must-have requirements to take up the SAFe Agilist certification. While there are no specific requirements for attending the leading SAFe workshop, individuals aiming to sit for the SAFe Agilist exam should possess a minimum of 5 or more years of involvement in software development, testing, business analysis, product management, or project management. Additionally, familiarity with Scrum methodologies is essential. Now let's move on to exam details. The SAFe Agilist exam lasts for 90 minutes and consists of 45 multiple-choice questions. Each question has a designated time limit, and once the timer runs out, your answers are automatically submitted. It's a closed-book exam, so no outside assistance is allowed. To pass the exam, you need to score at least 80%. The exam is delivered online, accessible through a web-based platform. Remember, you need to rely solely on your knowledge and understanding of SAFe principles during the test. After completing the leading SAFe course, you'll gain access to the exam through your learning plan. The cost of the exam is included in the course registration fee if taken within 30 days of completing the course. If you don't pass the exam on your first attempt, don't worry. You can retake it. The first retake can be done immediately after the first failed attempt. The second retake is allowed after a 10-day waiting period, and the third retake after 30 days. Subsequent retakes require a 30-day wait between each attempt. The retake fee is $50 for each retake. So that was it about the SAFe Agilist certification. As we wrap up, remember that the SAFe Agilist certification is not just about passing an exam, it's about gaining a deep understanding of Agile principles and practices. Hope you found this video informative. Do like and subscribe to get daily updates on informative videos like these.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.